Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm coming to you with a huge spring haul from my Teresa. They have been kindly loaning these items to me and therefore giving me the opportunity to review a bigger selection of items than usual. So I have chosen a few pieces from Toteme, of course, one of my favorite brands, Bottega Veneta and Moncler. And as always, I will of course link everything down below for you and include all the sizes I have picked up. As a frame of reference, I am 170 centimeter tall. Normally, I am European size 34, 36, 38, depending on the retailer and the look I want to achieve. By the way, this video is not sponsored. These pieces don't belong to me. I have to send them back, unfortunately. But I may purchase a few of these pieces for myself later. For example, this one is really nice. And I was actually thinking of getting this one. So let us start with these gorgeous silk trousers. As you may know, I have a thing for silk. Hint, hint, hint. I really love silk pieces, and this one looks beautiful. I love this stitching detail. Very beautiful. The side stitching was actually what drew me to these trousers in the first place, but now having them in my hand and seeing them, I wouldn't recommend them necessarily, because you could stuck with them somewhere and I don't know how they will look with time. If you are thinking of getting a pair of light shade silk trousers, I would recommend actually a different pair. I will link them down below. I'm thinking of getting those for myself as well because I think they are more carefree but equally beautiful. And also, for example, the trousers for this shirt I would throw into the washing machine. Not that I would recommend it to you, but I would. With this one, I'm not so sure. And also, I'm asking myself how this one will look with time. You know, this stitching will get, I think, a bit darker maybe. I have no experience with this kind of stitchings, to be honest with you. Yes, but such a beautiful one. So next, let us talk about this beauty. This is 100% cashmere cable net jumper, which has been on my Toteme wish list for a very long time because this is, I think, one of their staple pieces. It also comes in black, and I think this one would also look great with my black silk trousers by Toteme, you know, the matching trousers for the shirt I am wearing right now. I would love to wear these two pieces together. So there is a gap for this jumper in my wardrobe, and because this jumper is very thin, I think this jumper comes really handy in the warmer months, also in the summer months. You know, when outside is hot and inside is very cold because of air conditioning and all that. So I think a jumper like this comes in really handy. By the way, I got it in size small, and as you can see in the cutaways, yes, it is extremely oversized. So, are you ready for the next one? Drum roll! This trench coat has got such an amazing style. I really love how they are integrating the utilitarian look and style into such a feminine cut. The layering cut is amazing. I love that, and I love that these lapels are so exaggerated. They are linked to the back storm, and I also need to mention that this coat has got only one horn button on the top of the coat, and the rest is just open. You can only cinch your waist and close the coat with the belt, which is detachable as well. I don't know why you would want to detach the belt, but you have the option. Also, the color of this coat just sold it to me. It has got such a beautiful beige color with the green undertone. I really admire and love how Toteme always manages to create these pieces that are very unique but still timeless. Basic pieces that are exciting and not boring. This is a hard thing to achieve, I would say. So let us move on with the next piece, which is again an amazing piece from Toteme. With this piece, I unfortunately got the wrong size. I went with a size 38. I don't know why, but I did. But this is a beautiful long dress, viscose and a linen blend. The cut of this dress is cut for the goddesses. Is extremely, I would say this is extremely sexy without showing anything. Nothing. In fact, it is quite long actually. And as you can see, the neckline is very close, I would say. And this is my favorite kind of neckline. Let me know if you think the same. I think this dress is extremely sophisticated, beautiful, and very, very versatile. This dress can be worn to so many different occasions. And the only thing is, I don't think that this dress will serve you well when it's very hot outside. And it's got a zip closure at the back. I love the bat style sleeves. Ooh, such a beautiful one. So let us talk about the next item by Moncler. So you may know I have a very similar one actually, and I bought that one ages ago. I love that one, but the only thing that I don't like about that one, I will link actually my trench coat video up here, so you can check out all my trench coats. In that video I also featured the trench coat that is very similar to this one. The only thing is that mine is not a rain jacket, so it's not waterproof. This one is. So this one is waterproof, and I thought this is such a useful piece of clothing to have because it's very lightweight. You can throw this piece always into your suitcase. So I would say this piece is a travel essential for transitional and summer months. And when it comes to rain jackets or coats, I think they should be timeless. Because I don't know about you, but with me, I am not somebody who buys rain protection or waterproof stuff again and again. I buy them once and they should last me for a very long time. Therefore, the cuts need to be timeless. And this is a timeless cut, very practical. It's got this hat. Also, I think it comes in other colors, but you know, this army green is just such a great color and I love it. So next we have this beautiful, cute, intrecciato mini Bottega Veneta bag. And if you have watched a few of my videos, you know that I am a bit crazy about their bags lately. And I have ordered one, which will arrive any minute, and I'm very excited about that one. So stay tuned. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here anyway, but also you don't want to miss a video with a Bottega Veneta bag, right? But back to this bag, I thought this one is so cute and again very timeless. The only thing is you have only this drawstring closure, so you don't have a zipper or anything, and therefore this one wouldn't work for me. I thought this is such a cute and a beautiful, fun accessory to have. So that was the reason why I ordered it. It's beautifully, such a good quality. I really like the quality of Bottega Veneta bags. So next we have these not sunglasses. I thought they were, but they are not. A couple of months ago, I went to Bottega Veneta boutique here in Vienna and I tried these sunglasses, which are a bit tinted. So I ordered the sunglasses you see now based on those. But back to these, they are beautiful as well. They give me all the good chemistry teacher vibes. But this is not the pair I had in mind. And may I also tell you, I love the pouch for these glasses. So compact and very, very practical. They should all do the cases like this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.